Hi guys, I'm finna get ready to eat some Little Caesar pizza. Little Caesar and some fries. I got a Little Caesar pizza right here, y'all. I'm just saying. Doesn't it look good? It's a 3-meat pizza with onions on the side. I have some McDonald's Mickey D fries. I love me some onions, y'all. Don't y'all see all them onions on there? Look good, don't it? But yeah, I'm finna get ready to chow down. Finna get ready to eat this pizza and these fries. And have one slice. And I'm finna get my grandbaby. Okay. That pizza's good.
Oh, it's
Come on. Tell the camera. Tell everybody hey. Say hey, y'all.
Hi.
Hey. Oh. Hi.
Oh.
So good, y'all. So good. Delicious. Hold on. Good. Great. Hold on. Let me get you some. Hold on. Let me get you some. Hold on, I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna get that right now. Tell me hi, man. Say hi. He wanna be so shy, y'all, but I'm trying to get my pizza. Hold on, y'all. Good. Tell me hi. Well, hey, y'all. Hold on. Okay, hold on. So how you guys been doing today? It is so hot till it don't make no sense, y'all. Hot. Hold on, which one? Want some more pizza?
No.
Shut up, huh? Here's some honey. Y'all want to see my beautiful daughter? She trying to hide. She don't feel good, but she's trying to hide here. Look at that beautiful. Let's look, y'all.
Hey, y'all.
Can you still see it like that, though? I'm gonna move it. Good look. Look at my Jason mask. Look at the Jason mask. But, that's my daughter. This is my grandbaby. Everyone. What's wrong? Can you see a little bit? Hold on. No, Little Caesar is busting. Mmm. It's so good. What? That's the one though.
Look, y'all.
Y'all, this piece is good. A lot of people love Pizza Hut. A lot of people love Domino's. And a lot of people love Papa Pizza. But okay, I like Little Caesar. And McDonald's, damn near have the best fries. When they hot now, when they hot. But when they cold, nah.
Y'all got my permit thing.
Yeah, oh yeah. She done turned 15, y'all. She went and got a this right here, her permit to learn how to well I ain't gonna say learn because she already know how to drive. But this is her pamphlet where she can, study guide book where she can get her learner's permit. She know how to drive real good. I am proud of her. Hold on. Y'all, this piece is so good. Take a bite. Good. I got onions on it. Everything. Ooh. Oh. Nice. Good pizza. Good.
Oh, good.
Ooh, yeah, I'm getting full. Oh, you want some more pizza, baby?
No.
You want some more? No. Hold on.
Y'all, I'm really sleeping for real.
Yeah, she's sleeping. She don't have a long day. She been in school. She doing good. Everyone, like I said, this is her baby. She's a young mother. Proud of her. She in school. Most girls, we don't got pregnant. They drops out of school. She's still in school. I'm very proud of her. So, she doing good. We all make mistakes. She made one. And she's still in school. Like I said, this is her handsome young man right here. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. But yeah, y'all, this is my grandbaby. Loving to death. What you want? Show them the fry. Say hi, y'all. Wait a minute. Woo! What you want? He love pizza, y'all. As you can see, he love himself some pizza. He love it. He love it. Hold on.
You want another fry?
Good. Hold on. Want another piece? Don't bite my hand. But yeah, guys, my grandbaby love pizza. He love it better than me. The one in the bite, she love it too. She getting down with it.
Y'all, we get some more wings stock tomorrow.
Yeah. Look, y'all. Grandbaby trying to feed me. Come on. Okay. Good. So good. What else you want? Want something to drink? Hold on. You want another fry? Wait. Say it's so good. Good Lord. Give you one. Well, guys, I just wanted to show y'all the pizza and the fries and what we had to eat today. I'm finna get ready to end this recording. See y'all later.
Bye, y'all.
Tell them bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. You know I'm gonna say it.
He laughing.